In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up calendar to cells. If you want to make date entry faster and more accurate in your spreadsheet, adding a pop-up calendar is a simple and very useful feature. It helps prevent formatting mistakes, keeps your data consistent, and makes it easier for anyone using the sheet to pick a date instead of typing one manually. To get started, first select the cells where you want the calendar to appear. You can choose just one cell, an entire column, or a specific range, depending on how your sheet is set up. It's a good idea to think ahead here. For example, if you know this column will always be used for deadlines, appointments, or start dates, selecting the whole range now can save time later. Once the cells are selected, go to the Data tab in the top menu. In that menu, click Data Validation. This is the area where you control what kind of information is allowed in the selected cells. Using data validation for dates tells the spreadsheet to expect date values and enables the calendar picker for easier input. After the data validation panel opens, click Add Rule. This creates a validation rule for the cells you selected. The rule defines what type of content is considered acceptable in those cells. So in this case, you'll be setting it up specifically for dates. Now look for the Criteria drop-down menu and set it to as valid date. This is the key setting that tells the spreadsheet to accept only proper date entries. Once this is applied, users will typically be able to click into those cells and choose a date from a pop-up calendar, which is much more convenient than typing dates by hand. It also helps reduce errors caused by different date formats. When everything looks correct, click Done to save the rule. At that point, your selected cells should be ready to use with the date picker. You can test it right away by clicking one of the cells and checking whether the calendar appears. This is a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in how clean and user-friendly your spreadsheet feels. It's especially helpful when sharing the file with other people because it gives them a clear and simple way to enter dates correctly. Thanks for watching.